My fucking DVD player keeps coming off and on by itself. It's been doing this for the last couple of days. Even my dogs are noticing it. Every morning, there it goes. See? Can you shut that for me? I see it. Don't do it. Once I come in here, it will stop.
/joy.
This is Fracture. Just upload an image, place your order, and it'll show up at your door, beautifully printed directly on glass. And this isn't just another frame, not just another canvas. This is new. This is a Fracture. Visit FractureMe.com and print one today.
Selling on Poshmark is crazy simple. All you have to do is post a picture, add a description, add a price, and you're pretty much good to go. Right now,